Starting the vlog with a Christmassy welcome to each one of you, along with that, the best wishes for upcoming New Year. So, today we celebrated Christmas in a totally different way. We went to Learn India Primary School, Shonarpur, where my mom works as the center coordinator of the school. So, over there with the kids, the Christmas was all different and new, and of course, too much fun and exciting. So, we covered the vlog from dailydose.com. So, as usual, the vlog starts with the preparation. So, along with Ma, two other teachers are there, Shomishta and Ishrita. They three of us mainly prepared for the Christmas. So, as you know, the preparation is a mandatory thing if you do not decorate it well, so it doesn't look good. So, in order to update you with a brief history, the school Learn India Shonarpur had been made 7 years back, and since then it is continuing. So over here you can see the kids who had been gathering over here after 8 long months. So the school operated with the work from home or online class process, and it continued today with all safety and precautions. They decided why not bring the kids in the school and then celebrate. So with that, we'll move ahead to show you how the entire school premises looks like. So the house is known as Ganesh Bari. As you can see, the great murti of Ganesh ji. Then this is the office room, and this is one of the storerooms that they have, okay, where things are stored. And this is the starting part of the school where the office is located, and this is the desk where my mother sits. So she's also kind of missing this place a lot. Moving on to the final preparation and the decoration with the different colored lights and balloons and the Santa. Then the kids, of course. And then the mandate part of any occasion is clicking pictures and making videos. The kids were pretty shy at the beginning because they were not able to understand what is going on, because after so many days they are together, and a kind of nervousness was going on in their mind that how to talk to them, how to encounter with lot many things that are going on. But finally, yes, they all gathered together. We made them to stand in a circle, holding hands with each other, and it's all about getting together and getting accustomed with the new normal and the new systems, of course with proper preparation. And you can see the dance floor is all set, where we all gathered together, assembled, and started with the dance. So the process of gathering together, of course, needs safety and precautions, and as far as the safety of the kids are concerned, it is our primary goal, to safeguard and protect our kids as much as possible. So even before the teachers started to cut the cake and distribute the same, they made sure that all of their hands are sanitized properly with safety sanitizers, and then they were made to stand in a queue. But what is Christmas if we do not have a shiny, bright Christmas tree all decorated, and along with that, the plum cakes, fruit and nut plum cakes, and of course, the Christmas gifts? So, we made the kids gather around, and we have our principal Tanushri Ghosh with us, along with her daughter Koena. We really felt very happy to see the kids after months and months of time. But seriously, we missed many of them who could not make it this time. But we are quite hopeful about the fact that things gonna be fine soon and all will be on the same place again. For me, for us, it was always a blissful thing to see the fact that the kids are sitting properly, disciplined way, and the teachers are feeding them with their own hand. The happiness of the kids were of utmost importance over here. I loved the way they, tossed their heads in a joke and company. And I really, really hope that things will be all fine and they will come back to their normal life, visiting the school every day and enjoying them with their friends and, of course, the teachers. So, yeah, the feeding process is going on. They came with their water bottles, and the teachers are making them eat the food. So, see how happy they are.
লাইন করো
লাইন লাইন একটা কিউ মেক আ লাইন।
এই তো
আমরা এই জন্য কোর্সে গিফটও পাবো না, আমরা ওই জন্য ম্যাম সবার জন্য দেখেছো গিফট নিয়ে এসেছে, একটা করে পেন্সিল, একটা করে ইরেজার, একটা করে অরেঞ্জ, একটা করে ব্যানানা। অরেঞ্জ সবাই আমরা জানি তো উইন্টার ফ্রুট। হ্যাঁ শোনো আগে ইয়েরা লাইন করো দেখি এখানে পিজি মেক আ লাইন, পিজি আগে লাইন করো, পিজির সাথে আরবের সাথে আয়ুষীকে দিয়ে দিই।
লাইন করো বাবা।
সবার ভালো লেগেছে তো আজকে দেখা হয়ে? ম্যাডামের সাথে ভালো লেগেছে? আমরা ডান্স করেছি, ফ্রেন্ডের সাথে দেখা করেছি, কেক কেটেছি, সবার ভালো লেগেছে? সবাই হ্যাপি তো?
So now is the time for them to take their gifts, pencil, eraser, and some fruits. See their happy faces. So the event had been made for entirely 1 hour or 1.5 hours, and with all safety and precautions we made sure that things goes properly, but we also missed the people who could not make it this time. So now it is the time for them to leave the school and once again start with the process of online classes. So it says that kids are the best gift that one can receive in this world, and of course it is all truth. The way they can make you happy, their smile, their laughter can make you happy, nothing else can probably. In this span of 1.5 hours, I was like missing them. So with that, we are signing off, guys. Stay tuned and keep watching dailydose.com.